I recently discovered a surprisingly easy way to make money online by simply watching TikTok videos. It's pretty straightforward. For each TikTok video you watch, you can pocket $4. So if you spend some time watching a couple of videos, that's $8 in your pocket. Watch a few more, and you could be looking at a cool $16. But it doesn't stop there. You can potentially rake in up to $600 or even more by dedicating some time to watching TikTok videos regularly. Now let's dive into how you can get started on this money-making journey. First things first, head over to TikTok. Once you're there, type in viral, funny videos into the search bar. These types of videos are in high demand and consistently rack up millions of views. It's clear that people just can't get enough of them. And that's where the opportunity lies. By tapping into this demand, you can start earning some serious cash. Now, on to the next step, selecting the right video to watch. Take your time scrolling through the search results and pick out a video that catches your eye. Once you've found one that looks promising, go ahead and give it a watch. Make sure to watch the entire video to gauge its quality. If it doesn't quite hit the mark for you, no worries. Just move on to the next one until you find something you genuinely enjoy. Remember, the key here is to focus on the videos you like, because if you enjoy them, chances are others will too. Let's say you stumble upon a gem of a video that you absolutely love. This is where the magic happens. Take note of its engagement metrics, such as views and likes. These metrics can give you valuable insights into the video's popularity and potential for earning money. If the video has garnered a significant number of views and likes, it's likely to be a hit among viewers, making it a prime candidate for earning you some cash. After you've finished watching the video, the next step is to capture a screenshot from it. I'll demonstrate this on my computer, but you can also do it easily from a smartphone. Here's the screenshot I just took from the video, and it looks pretty good, if I may say so myself. Now keep in mind that you're not restricted to just viral, funny videos like the one I used as an example. That was just to illustrate the process. You can apply this method to any type of video, as long as it attracts a large audience. With countless videos available on TikTok, there's plenty of opportunity to explore. Stick to videos that have high demand and receive millions of views. Avoid choosing videos that nobody watches or cares about. If you're unsure what other types of videos to search for, you can always turn to Google for inspiration. Look up the most popular niches on TikTok, and you'll find a plethora of ideas and keywords to explore. Now just click on one of these search results. For instance, let's take a look at this one. Scroll down a bit, and there you have it. You can search for funny dances or explore other niches like dark comedy, and the options are endless. I believe you're starting to see how this works now. Once you've captured the screenshot of the video, the next step is to head over to a free website called canva.com. The best part is, you can do this from anywhere in the world. Your location doesn't matter, as long as you have an internet connection and access to either a computer or smartphone. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to create an account on Canva. It's a breeze. Just click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your account using your Google, Facebook, or email credentials. Once you're all signed up, click on Create a Design and then select Custom Size. Enter the dimensions 1080 by 1920 and hit Create New Design. Now, the first thing to do is to upload your screenshot image. Simply navigate to the Uploads section, click to upload the image from your device, and it will appear on your Canva page. You can easily move it around by dragging it, and if needed, resize it to fit your design. Next, click on Elements and select a shape to add to your image. You can adjust the color of the shape if you wish, but for now, let's keep it as it is. Resize the shape accordingly, as we'll be adding text to it. Click on the text icon, then select Add a Heading, and drag the text box onto the shape. Type in something catchy like, "Oh my god, viral video." If you want to change the font, simply click on the text and choose a different one. Let's go with Anton for this example. You can also change the color of the text. I'll switch it from black to white for better visibility. And there you have it. Your eye-catching graphic is ready to go. We're nearly finished with our image now. Just one more step to go. Head back to Elements and search for a play button. Drag one of these play buttons onto our image. The blue one works perfectly fine. Ensure it's positioned in the center for a polished look. Now, let's get ready to download the image. Simply click on Share, and then hit Download right there. Confirm by clicking Download again, and your image will start downloading. In the next step, I'll guide you through how we can leverage this image along with the TikTok video to effortlessly make money online. As you can see here, I've shared some payment proofs from individuals who are using this method to earn money consistently. One person made $5 today, another earned $6, and yet another pocketed $10. Now let's move on to the next step, which involves using Pinterest.com. This website is where we'll harness the power of TikTok videos and our image to make money online. Pinterest attracts millions of visitors daily, especially from the United States. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to create your account on Pinterest. Once that's done, head to the Create tab and select Create Pin. Next, upload the image you've prepared by double-clicking and selecting it from your device. Now it's time to give your pin a title. For example, if your TikTok video is titled Crazy Monkey, enter that here, and don't forget to add Watch Now to encourage clicks. The description section is optional, so you can leave it blank for now. Now, here comes the tricky part, adding the link. When people on Pinterest click on your image, they'll expect to be directed to the TikTok video. However, if you directly link to the TikTok video, you won't earn any money. Instead, I'll show you how to use a different link that can generate income whenever someone clicks on it. To create this money-making link, head over to a website called shrinkme.io first. Register an account by providing your details and completing the verification steps. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will appear. The minimum withdrawal amount on this website is just $5, and they offer various payment methods including Bitcoin and PayPal. Now, let's create the shortened link. Click on New Shortened Link and paste the link of your TikTok video. After pasting, simply click on Shorten. Now copy this newly generated link and head back to Pinterest. Before you can publish the image, you'll need to create a board. Click on the plus icon and then select Create a Board. Give it a name and hit Create. You're now ready to paste your pin onto your newly created board. Click on the Create Pin button again, paste the image, add your title, and most importantly, paste the shortened link into the designated space. Once everything looks good, hit Publish, and voila! You've successfully set up your money-making pin on Pinterest. Finally, after completing all the necessary steps, simply click on Publish, and your pin will be shared on Pinterest. However, sometimes Pinterest may not accept links from shrinkme.io. In such cases, you can use another website called Linktree as a bridge or middleman. What Linktree does is it changes your ShrinkMe link to another link that Pinterest will accept, while still directing users to ShrinkMe. So, there you have it. Now every visitor to your ShrinkMe link has the potential to earn you money. And with that, we've covered all the steps in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to WealthWalk to gain invaluable insight into your way to make money online. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next one.